You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names, make sure to stay tuned. Yes, he was an English journalist, businessman, essayist. That's the name of a famous character in history. Famous journalist. Walter was his name. Now, anyhow, this is a surname pronounced Bagehot. Alright, I know it looks like it should be pronounced Bagehot or Bagehot or Bagehot. Bagehot, alright? Bagehot. You could spell it B-A-J-U-T. Bagehot. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.